Good morning all of you. Today revision of first chapter of class 5th, evolution of computer. In this chapter, fill in the blanks are the first mechanical calculating device was the abacus. Second, Howard Akins invented the first automatic sequential controlled calculator Mark 1, and Sumit is the fastest supercomputer. First general purpose electronic computer was ENIAC, and analytical engine was invented by the Charles Babbage. MCQ question: the era of the first generation computer was 1940 to 1956, and second, ENIAC is an example of the supercomputer, and third, microcomputer are used in home, school, shop, office, bank, etc. And fourth, punched card was designed by the Herman Hollerith. These are the MCQ questions of this chapter. And fifth question, the machine language was used in the first generation of the computer. This is the first chapter's revision. Second chapter, objective questions. Microsoft Windows is an operating system. Second, to customize the desktop, right click on the blank area of the select the personalize option. And third, in the picture folder you can store digital photos, image and graphics files. And fourth, application icon are the graphical images and that gives a quick access to the related applications. And the AeroSec features minimize all the open windows except the one that you want to focus on. These are the fill in the blanks. And MCQ questions: name the features that allow you to access the computer to showing your face, fingers, printers or iris. Answer is Windows Hello. And second, which features of Windows 10 takes you directly on the desktop? Is the pick. Which of the following application of the Windows 10 provide a bundle of uploaded apps? Answer is Windows Store. And fourth, which icon allow you to access the share files or the drives on the different computers in networks? Answer is network icons. And name the features that allow you to drag and drop a windows to a corner of the screens to make a space for the other application. Answer is snapping. This is the second chapter. And now third chapter. The tab is a key to move the cursor to the adjoining cell of the table. And second, the quick table option is used to insert and pre-designed table in the Word documents. And third question, a small hollow square at the bottom right corner of the table is called table resize handle. Fourth, the auto fit Windows option adjusts the table according to the margin on a table. And fifth, formatting control overall appearance of the table. And fifth, splitting a cell means dividing the selected cell into separate cells. And now MCQ. The intersection of column and row is called cell. Second, table group present in the insert tab. And third, which key combination delete the selected row and column from a table? Shift plus delete. Which function key is used to update the cell in the cell? Answer is F9. And which among of the following shortcut key used to numeric keypad to the select the entire table Alt plus 5. These are the MCQ question of the third chapter. Next day I will continue with the fourth and fifth chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.